Hello friends, today I'm going to talk about a very important scheme. Only 2 days are remaining for the scheme to be closed. That is today, tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day for you to enter the scheme. Why I'm telling you the last day is because tomorrow, after tomorrow, this scheme might have a revised interest rate downwards. There is every possibility that the government of India could revise the interest rate for the scheme and you will not have an opportunity to earn one of the best interest for your pension. My name is Sridhar Ganeshan. I am an insurance and a wealth consultant and I am on a mission to help 1 lakh people to have a very rich and a peaceful life. So let me go into the scheme right away. What is the name of the scheme? The name of the scheme is Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana. This is a pension scheme. A pension scheme where you can invest a lump sum amount and get your pension amount every month from the next month. What is the rate of interest? Why I am telling you this? If you see the rate of interest which is dwindling over a period of months, this is the best scheme for you to invest. The rate of interest is amazing. The amount is going to be guaranteed because it's a government sponsored scheme and this is for a decent duration of the scheme. Now I'll tell you the details of the scheme. This being sponsored by the government of India, this scheme is a pension scheme where you can invest a lump sum and get a pension every month. The rate of interest, the facilities and the advantages of the scheme, I'm going to tell you in detail. The first and the foremost is the scheme was launched in 2017 by the government of India called Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana. Right? Now, the second thing is this is a pension scheme for all the senior citizens. Persons who are above 60 years are eligible to enter the scheme. However, there is a small exception to that. Persons who have retired at the age of 55 because of their company's policies are also eligible for the scheme. But the duration for the scheme they can enter is only for 5 years. Okay. Otherwise, all the people, all the citizens of India who are above 60 years are eligible for entering into the scheme. Thus, the other point is this is a government guarantee scheme, hence you need not worry because there is no fluctuation of the stock market which is going to affect here, nor the bank rate of interest which is going to fluctuate that is going to affect the rate of interest here. Your rate of interest, your pension and your capital is guaranteed for 10 years from today. Okay. Now, there are loans which are eligible for this policy up to 75% of the invested amount. You can surrender this policy at any time when you want during the duration of the scheme and there's a nomination facility also for the scheme. Okay. Now, let me go into the further details of this. Now, as I told you, the persons who are above 60 years of age are eligible for entering into the scheme. Now, what is the minimum amount of investment and the maximum amount of investment? The minimum amount of investment is 1,56,000 and dot. The maximum amount which a person, an individual can invest is 15 lakhs. Okay. Beyond 15 lakhs, you cannot invest. That's the ceiling limit. Okay. Now, how much is that pension amount which I'm going to receive and what is the rate of interest? Right. Government has given you 4 ways you can get your pension. One, either you can get it monthly or you can get it quarterly or half yearly or yearly. Each of the frequency has got different rates of interest. When you opt for yearly, it is 7.66% rate of interest on the invested amount. When you opt for half yearly, it is 7.52 rate of interest. When you opt for quarterly, it is 7.45 rate of interest. When you opt for monthly, it is 7.4% rate of interest. And the minimum pension amount you will be guaranteed is 1,000 rupees per month. And the maximum pension amount you will be guaranteed is 9,250 per month. Okay. Now, we will go into the other thing. So, as I told, the duration of the scheme is 10 years. After 10 years, your capital, your invested amount is going to come back to you unaltered. Okay. Now, there is every possibility that the scheme can be closed within 10 years. Under what circumstances the scheme can be closed? Number one, the government itself can close the scheme, which is highly improbable. Okay. Second, on the completion of the scheme gets closed, you get your money back. Third, you can surrender this scheme before 10 years and get back your money. But there's a small penalty for that. 2% penalty is what the government would levy on your invested amount, which means you will be getting back 98% of the invested amount. Okay. The fourth and the unfortunate thing is, if the investor dies, total money, 100% of the money will be returned to the nominee. These are the 4 ways the scheme get closed prematurely. Okay. Now, the details of the schemes are like known. Now, where can you enter the scheme? This scheme can be entered by going to your LIC of India office. LIC of India has been authorized by the government of India to promote the scheme. Okay. Now, where all you can go and apply for the scheme? There are 2 ways. Either you can apply online or you can apply offline. Through online, you can go to LIC of India website, enter the scheme, upload the documents, make the payment, and then complete the scheme. The second thing is, if you know an agent of LIC, try to contact him and ask him to come to you. You can submit the application form with all the documents what I'm going to tell you later, along with the check of whatever amount you want to invest. The second thing is, if you don't have any agent, you can directly walk into an LIC of India office, meet the official over there, and he will have the scheme enrolled for you. The third thing is, if you don't have any of these three things, please contact me on my mobile number and my email ID. I will get in touch with you and I'll see that you are enrolled into the scheme right away. Now, what are the documents which are essential for enrolling into the scheme? Number one, you need an application form which you can download, which I'm going to give you in the comment section. Right. Second, you have to enclose your PAN card, your Aadhaar card, your photograph, okay, and a bank cancelled check leaf, because you need to mention the bank account where your pension is going to be credited. So for that, there are two ways. One, if you have a checkbook, a cancelled check leaf is what you are going to take a copy of, or rather enclose it along with the documents. Or if you don't have a checkbook, the first page of your passbook can be enclosed to give all the details of your bank name, branch name, IFSC code, and your savings bank account number. Okay. If you enclose these things and if you are able to provide them with a check of whatever invested amount you want to invest, you are done with your enrolling. Your pension will start right from the second month. Now, these are the advantages. Now, I'll tell you very briefly what are the advantages. This is a government-sponsored scheme, so your capital is not at all at risk. This is guaranteed for 10 years, so your interest and pension is guaranteed for 10 years. The third thing is, this amount and the interest rate is not going to be affected by any of the fluctuations in the share market or the bank rate of interest, how much ever it fluctuates. These are the three great advantages of the scheme. Now, there are some minor disadvantages which I would like to highlight to you. They are, number one, your amount is blocked for 10 years. You cannot withdraw the amount unless otherwise you have an exceptional reason for that. What are the exceptional reasons? The reasons are either the investor is very sick, he is having a terminal disease, or he is having a big disease like a bypass surgery or a cancer, where he can put an application and get his amount back. The second thing is, the scheme cannot be executed beyond 10 years. The scheme runs only for 10 years. After 10 years, the government is going to give back your money and the scheme is closed. The third thing is, there is no joint account holder facility here. That is, if the investor dies, it will once again the pension will continue for the joint account holder. That facility is not there here. The fourth and the main thing is, unfortunately, if the account or the investor dies, the scheme closes. The money is given back to the nominee. These are the four minor disadvantages. However, taking the advantages into account, this is one of the best pension schemes with the highest rate of interest, which you should not miss. Today and tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day for that. So make your arrangements for tomorrow to invest as much as it got. I would like to tell you that if you have amount in fixed deposits or recurring deposits in your bank account, please break that and invest here. This is far, far more advantageous in getting your pension. But however, remember one thing, that this is going to be locked for 10 years. So whatever amount you don't need for 10 years, please invest here. Otherwise, you need to have some liquid funds for your emergencies. Okay, friends, I hope this information was useful to you and you will be making use of this scheme. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. I'll be giving you more and more information about investments, about how to invest in the best schemes in these videos. Thank you. All the best. Happy investing. Bye.